Morning. So this is chapter 3, class 12th. I think when you start doing the chapter 3, current and electricity, the first thing you find is the confusion. How do you recognize whether the resistors in a circuit are in series? Okay, and this is about finding the equivalent resistance or analyzing the circuits. Now, series resistors are connected one after another. Okay, so one resistor ends and then the second resistor starts. So they're connected one after another. So that is why the word series. But then still, we have confusion as to, what constitutes series resistors. So if you see the two diagrams, the diagram on the upper side shows two resistors connected in three different ways. Okay, in one it is straight line, in second it is at right angles to each other, and in the third, if you see the third figure, it is like a rectangle, right? All these three at the top represent series circuit because they are connected in a manner in which at the point of connection or the wire which is used to connect these two, there is no intermediate connection. Okay, but compare this with the bottom figures. In the bottom figures also you have resistances, which are apparently in series, but they're not in series. And look at the point of connection in the bottom figure number one, where there is a dot, purple dot that shows the point of connection. So you can say this is also series, but it is not, because at the point of connection, you have one more connection, which is, going out of that point of connection. So if you have an extra connection at the point of, connectivity of two resistors, you cannot say that these two resistors are in series. Any two resistors which are connected in a manner at a point, one after another, but at the point of connection, there is no other connection available, then we can be very sure that the resistors are in series. Look into the bottom and look into the figure number 2. In figure number 2 also you can see the resistors are connected, the resistors, but there is an extra connection which is a parallel connection behind the resistor, which is vertical in nature, right? So whenever you have an extra connection coming out of the point of attachment of the two resistors, it is not a series resistor. But if the resistors are connected one after another, and at the point of connection, there is no extra connection which is emerging out or entering, we can be very certain that the resistors are in series. And since there is no extra connection which is emerging out of the point of connectivity, there is no current leaving or entering this, straight line or a right angle or the rectangle which you see on the top. So whatever is a current in first resistor is the current in the second resistor, because there is no escape or connection available for current to split. I hope this is clear to you. You can, when you do some questions, look at them very carefully, whether there is an extra connection at the point of connectivity of the two resistors or not. If there is one, then the two resistors are not in series. Thank you very much.